What's going on, guys? Crank here, and again, we are not in Crank's Fab Shop. Today we're in Auburn, Indiana with the one and only DUALLY King.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So Johnny, if you could just sort of, let's go through your shop and just sort of tell me what you do. I mean, I know what you do. Maybe some of them know what you do, but you know, just in case they don't, show me around and see what you got.
Well, I got you. So pretty much what I do here is, you know, I make something for everybody's budget. Whether your budget is big or small, I try and make something, you know what I mean, for everybody's budget. So with that being said, I do a lot of reconditioned type of wheels. So pretty much like what he's showing you right here is this is a reconditioned set of wheels right here. Pretty much take them off of a semi truck, and then I'll go through, I'll cut a design into it, and then I'll have them polished up and all of that good stuff. And then you can go through, add stuff like your tires, your floating center caps, your lug covers, all kind of stuff. From powder coat to paint, whatever you choose, you know what I mean? We can definitely customize a set of wheels for you. Also do stuff like steering wheels, you know, pretty much anything pertaining like, you know, 1-ton trucks. So this right here is a set of tuck wheels right here. This right here is the DK Ford style direct bolt. So you don't necessarily have to run adapters, but this wheel is made out of a blank. You know, but that's a really nice set of wheels right here. So that's meant to tuck inside of the fender so that it doesn't stick out, and it's meant for like your bagged trucks and that type of stuff. So also, what I got going on is here's another set of wheels right here. A regular set of classic holes getting ready to go out. It's got the floating caps as well. It's got the black, black diamond. And I think that's the company's logo or something like that. But yeah, so like I said, I made those as well. Then sitting next to that is a set of 24-inch classic holes. Those are made out of blanks as well. Those are for a Kodiak, and they don't make 24.5 for that truck right there. So pretty much had to go through, make a custom set, you know, specifically to what the customer wanted. And then for the rear, he wanted a 24x12 super single. So that's pretty much what he's going with as far as on the rear for there. Yeah, nice. So this room pretty much here is just is nothing special. As you can see, everything's kind of spread out on the floor, but I got all of the orders is getting ready to go out. This is where I do all of my tile mounting, my pressure washing, palletizing, stuff like that to pretty much get an order, you know, pretty much out. But yeah, that's pretty much what this room is, you know what I mean, summed up in a nutshell. So I'll go back and show you what my mill is. It sounds like it's gonna stop running, but we'll go down here once this air compressor kick off.
And while we're waiting on that air compressor to kick off, he did mention that this room is, he's got a lot of stuff getting ready to be picked up. And well, that's why we're here. My wheels aren't in here. We've already got them loaded up in the back of the truck, and you'll get to see those later. You knew I was gonna go with some 24s, but you didn't know what design. So drop a comment below right now, and I will show you later in the video our wheels whenever we get back to the shop, get them unloaded. So like I said, drop a comment below. What design did I get? Yeah.
So that's my lowrider right there. I don't know if you guys are into lowriders or not, but I'm into a little bit of everything. I don't care whether it's lifted, lowered, hydraulics, air ride, you know, VIP. I mean, I like them all. I'm a car guy at heart.
I'm the same, and that makes my YouTube channel so hard because it's got so many different things.
Yes.
I'm doing, you know, Loadstars one day. I'm into old Beetles, old Volkswagens, air-cooled Beetles.
Yep.
You know, I've got that going on. It's not been on the channel yet, but I used to be into mini trucks. I've got my old Blazer that I'm gonna be bringing onto the channel and doing sometime. JDM, same. So. Yeah. But yeah, I've never had a lowrider, but I do. I've had, like I said, mini trucks, but I do love lowriders, and I really like the gold leaf on that thing.
Oh yeah, I had this painted, and it's candy brandy wine. It's got gold leaf, all gold Zenith wire wheels, 13-inch wire wheels, extended control arms, chain bridge, 8 batteries, 3 pumps. I mean, man, when this thing is all finished done, I plan on putting it in the air, you know what I mean, pretty high. So this is pretty much a fun toy.
Yeah. Oh, that thing's cool, man.
Yeah, reinforcements and everything. So, but yeah, so that's that. and excuse my mess. You know, and then this is a big machine that everything on the pretty wheels is made on. So it pretty much comes out of like a box like that, and then you pretty much get pretty much out of the box right there. So it comes to me as just a raw form in a barrel, depending on what size that I need, whether I need to change offsets, that type of stuff. So then I'll go through, then I'll start marking it. So, you know, for whatever I need to do, I'll go to the computer, load it up in a program, and then I go ahead and pop it in the machine. And then this is where all of the magic happens right here. So, and then after I'm done running it, then it should produce something like that. And yeah, that's what it is.
Nice.
Yeah, and then after all of these chips, they go down the conveyor, then it goes into my hopper right there. And then once it gets full, I swap it out and put in another one.
All right, so the air compressor's off. So you were mentioning to me that, you know, this shop, how long have you been at this shop?
I've been at this shop for a little over 4 years.
A little over 4 years, but you've got a new shop that you're currently building?
Yes.
All right, tell me a little bit about that.
Yep, so this shop that I'm currently in right here is 4,500 square foot. The new shop that I'm having built is actually 7,200 square foot, so it's a whole lot bigger than what this one is. I'm just running out of room here. I don't like having to keep, you know, certain vehicles outside, all of that type of stuff. So what I'm going to end up having to do, part of it's going to be my shop, the other part's going to be pretty much my toy box. So I'm going to have it broken up to where part of it, I'm going to call it Gasoline Alley. That's where I'm going to have all of my, you know, cars, from golf carts, lowriders, to dualies, whatever I got, you know what I mean, is going to stay on the one side, and then I'm going to work out of the other half. So my shop should be done. They're telling me that I'm going to be done by the January 12th. So next month, I'm going to be pretty much shutting down, you know what I mean, getting everything moved on over. But I cannot wait till that shop is done because, I mean, it's been a long time coming. It's been a long time coming. So, but I'm trying to definitely move up for sure. And I mean, when I originally started, I started out in a, you know, one-car garage, you know, with a carport. And then you fast forward years and years later, you know what I mean, to an actual commercial building, to outgrowing it, to getting even better. It's just, man, I truly feel blessed, you know what I'm saying, to be able to go from that to this, you know what I'm saying? So, yes, I mean, it's definitely been a long time coming.
All right, I'll throw a picture, because you just shared a photo of your new shop, I saw.
Yep.
And it's gray and black, like a charcoal black.
Yep.
So that my shop, Crank's Fab Shop, is very similar colors.
Okay.
So all I'm saying is Dewey King and Crank's Fab Shop, we got some style.
Dumbledore's got style.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Because it looks
talking
good.
about. Yes,
It looks
sir.
good. Well, man, I greatly appreciate it. I'm going to get out of here, let you get back to work.
Okay.
And yeah, if you all need any wheels for your 1-ton truck or I mean, really anything, that's all I think you do more than just that, right?
I do. So I do 3/4 ton trucks, 3/4 ton trucks, 1-ton trucks. As long as I can get a blank for it, I can definitely do a set of wheels. So I don't care if it's a 1/2-ton truck for that matter. I've done them for side-by-sides, golf carts, you name it. Like I said, as long as I can get a blank for it, I'll put wheels on the stroller if you want it. Yes.
Yeah, so if you need wheels, hit up Dewey King and get yours today. So we'll see you later. I don't know if I'm going to end the video here. We are going to head over to another shop on the way home. But in case we do end the video here, it may be long enough. God bless. We'll see you later. And if not, we'll see you in a minute at another shop. All right, guys. So that's where I'm going to end this one. If you've watched it until this point, I just want to thank you. And if you have stayed this long, drop a comment below 2026 because we're excited for the things that we've got coming up in 2026. And since you have stayed around this long, I wanted to give you a first look at the wheels we've got for the Loadstar. So if, you know, for the people who didn't stay until this point, well, they're just going to miss out and they're going to have to wait until we, I guess, officially release these, or you see them in the background somewhere, which is probably going to be the case. I'm not very good at keeping secrets, but here you go. That's right. We've got us some mega hose, 24-inch mega hose. And you know, I had to go. It's going to be hard to tell now, but yeah, I went for the floaters, baby.
Pardon me, do you have any Grey Poupon?
We got them floaters. Come on, look at that. So I did get them just blank because I have an idea for something that I think would be pretty neat to do with these blank floating hubcaps. I'm not going to give that away because there's some stuff I got to make sure is going to work, but I think it should work. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to drop a comment, like, share, subscribe, all that kind of good stuff. God bless, and we'll see you later.
Well,